Hi, my name is Adrian Bablinski. Welcome to the project overview of the undo and redo system. Uh, when you download the package, you'll see that you have a scripts folder. You also have a demo scene as well as a documentation. So when you click on the scripts folder, you'll see that you have a drag item, which is using the demo scene. So you can delete this if you're implementing this in your own project. Then you have the object info, which is the object class that stores all the information inside of the system. And then you have the object system that does all the calculations for the undo and redo. And then you have the undo manager, which is the only monitor behavior script that calls for these two scripts. To show you how easy it is to add other parameters to store, I'll open the object info script as well as the object system. And what you would do, you'd add another public variable here in the object system. To check and make sure you don't have duplicates, you would have to add an if block and set it equal to, make sure that it's not equal to each other. And if it is, it would return false, and then the magic would happen. So to show you how easy it is to implement, I'm going to go on the camera, I'm going to drag and drop the undo redo manager. Here you can specify your keys. So for undo is Z, for redo is R, to clear the list is escape. And the active layer, so which object we're tracking, is going to be called active. I'm going to create a game object. I'm going to create a cube. And then I'm going to zero the cube out. So it'll be right in front of the camera. I'll make this layer active for the cube. Now it will track the position. So as I click on the object and make alterations, it will track the information and let me shuffle through it. Now when I hit Z, it does the undo. Now the cool thing is that when you redo, it actually just adds onto the list, so that if you undo, then add some, and then you can actually go all the way back to the beginning of before you started even undoing. So that's something that we brought in from something that you would see in MonoDevelop or Visual Studios. So this has been the overview of the undo and redo system, and I hope you find use for it in your project.